Hey everyone, it's Luna, your Alpha Wolf. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be using a old paper bag that I got from an Amazon package. I'm going to recycle it and turn it into a little beach scene. But it's not finished yet, and you guys will see that in the video. I hope you guys like it. So as you guys could see here, I'm using a few acrylic paints, and I'm going to mix them together as I'm showing here in the video. And I'm going to start with the lighter colors first, and then I'm going to mix them together. Sorry guys, my mind just went blank. That happens to me a lot. Yeah, so here, as you guys can see, I'm using like the lighter peach color. I'm going to mix the brown in with it, and I'm going to mix those two colors together and continue painting the bag. And so, yeah, that's my reference picture there in the corner. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little Zen painting process. Oh. Alright, I'll shut up now so you guys can watch me paint. So here I'll be using some of the acrylic white paint that I have, and as you guys can see, I put like a few little dots like sporadically around the paper, and I'm gonna blend that in so to make the sand have like a lighter appearance. So you guys will see like the before and like the after results, so especially in the pictures like towards the end of the video. So hope you guys like it, and if you want to see me paint more stuff in future videos, now smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and tell me your favorite part of this video. And if you want to see me paint more beach themed stuff or like marine sort of stuff. Oh, sorry guys, I can't think straight. I've been out in the heat all day. Oh, don't judge me. Alright, let me shut up so you guys can enjoy this paint process. Yeah, so as you guys can see here, I added more of the darker brown paint, the lighter paint, and some more white paint. I'm gonna mix those colors together and like paint towards like in like the reverse kind of way, as you guys could see here, as I'm doing with the white paint, and I'm gonna blend that all together to like make the sand have more like a glowing kind of like color, if that makes any sense. You know how if you go to like a beach so in person and like you see like the waves crashing and the sand is like wet a little bit like towards like the shoreline. So I kind of wanted to like incorporate that look and with like the darker paint colors, so I hope I was able to capture it a little bit. So if not, I'll touch it up a little bit off camera. So but yeah, I hope you guys like it. So, and ignore the dye stains on my arms like I said before in the video. I just dyed my hair, and I didn't get all the dye stains off my arms or my hands. So just ignore that and bear with me. Here's a close-up of the reference picture, and here's a few more of the pictures that I snapped. So of the before and after process. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!